Welcome to Echo Analytics. I'm Advika, and today we're answering one simple but powerful question: what is data analytics? Data analytics is the process of examining, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data to discover useful information, draw conclusions, and support decision-making. In a world that runs on data, every swipe, click, and scroll creates a footprint. Businesses, governments, and even social platforms rely on data analytics to make smart, fast, and efficient decisions. Ever wondered how Netflix recommends your next binge? Or how Swiggy knows what food you crave? That's data analytics in action. Behind every personalized experience is an algorithm fueled by your data. Data analysts use tools like Python, Excel, SQL, and Tableau. But it's not just about the tools. It's about curiosity, problem-solving, and storytelling through numbers. Data analytics is one of the fastest-growing fields today. Whether it's finance, healthcare, sports, or tech, data is at the core of every industry. This is just the beginning. On Echo Analytics, we break down the world of data, one insight at a time. Subscribe, stay curious, and let's decode the digital world together.